This is the videographer coming down.
Left base, straight to grass outside, Marshall.
I know that.
Alright, stay here, stay here.
Wave to the camera.
Oh, wow, check it out.
That was long.
Alright. That was what?
Cool.
Okay, now you gotta watch when Sally's gonna come
Someone
in.
landed over there.
That was the third guy that jumped. That was Tom. Sally's right up there.
Why is Tom over there?
Screaming. Stop. Watch Sally right there. Look, there's Sally.
How could you tell if someone's screaming? Sally, stop.
No, she's not.
They said Sally's
Mom,
screaming.
why don't you hold on to you? Her belly button's playing too.
There's Sally.
He stays right with her that whole time, does he?
Yes, they're strapped together.
Stay here by the pole. Do not move. Don't go to the next field.
It looks to be the one.
No, they're going to circle around and come in.
Downwind, 2-8, on the grass.
Watch. Now watch.
Come on, let's go in. How do you make Elvin's landing right here?
Here comes his girlfriend right there. See her? Look at her.
No, they're going to turn around and come right out here. She's got her arms open waiting for him. See her right there?
Yellow plane in Marshall. How was that grand trip? If you land right next to the runway, it's fine. If you land on the, I don't want to. There's a couple of, for you.
Yep, that's Sally right there.
Right there.
Do not move, Rachel.
Oh, she's waving.
She's waving. All right.
Oh, good job, good job.
You gotta wait till the canopy's on the ground.
Wait till it's down.
Wait. Okay, you gotta stay back and let the videographer take pictures, okay?
Marshall traffic, guide your turning base. 2-8, on the grass.
And you didn't pass out.
So they stay here.
What'd you think? Was it you? What you expected?
Awesome, I loved it. I want to go back up there again.
Well, you got to do your glider ride first. Your hands are cold, but yeah, you got to do your glider ride first. But yeah.
Can I go?
You're gonna do it again?
Oh, thank you, my bestest boyfriend. Thank you. You get it? Yup. Yay!
Final, 2-8, on the grass.
That was awesome.
You out there?
I was so scared. I hate you, Dave.
All I did was introduce you to the people. I didn't sign anything for you.
Can we go on the glider with you?
I wanted to chicken out.
Yeah, she did great.
You did.
I figured she would.
I think we should have a fantastic video on that one.
Yeah, good. Well, if anyone was going to enjoy it, I figured it would be her. I mean, even following her on a motorcycle as I'm watching the lean angles and all, she's a more aggressive rider than me. So before long, you know, I think by about 5 years from now at this time, she'll probably be a skydive instructor.